Okay guys, getting ready to do another lot walk. Go check out maplemotors.com. We just updated with new inventory. All right, stick around. What's up guys, this is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and of course we're going to be walking around the whole entire car lot today, pointing out all the new rides that we get week by week. Monday is the only day that we update the website, and of course I'm always behind on test drives every Monday. I try to get caught up. Of course it rains a lot here in Tennessee, and I can't video on the days that it rains. You could check out our financing, shipping. We got detailed pictures of every ride, inside, out, and underneath. And of course, I do this every week, day by day. So hit subscribe and share this video. I'll keep these coming to you. You can also join us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all the social medias. We try to keep those up to date week by week. What we'll do is we'll start, and I'll tell you the years. I'll tell you the model and the price. All right, let's get started here. Tell you what we'll do, we'll run down this side right now, and then we'll come down the front row. Right up here in the corner is a 1972 GTO. We just got this one in, priced at $29,900. Test drive video should be out. I've already done that one. Next to that is a 68 Cutlass. And we got it priced at $26,900. What about a 72 Charger? This one just came in. Got the sunroof. Priced at $19,900. This side's looking pretty sweet. Another GTO just came in. This is a convertible car. It's a 67 model, priced at $24,900. What about the 61 Cadillac sedan, a patina, priced at $12,900. And the last one in this line here on the side of the lot is a 66 Buick Riviera, priced at $12,900. Okay, so pretty much every month we'll go through about 60 cars here, so we're always getting new inventory. What did I find here? Something blowing around. Cutting edge firewood. I don't know where that came from. We'll put her up on the porch. Maybe somebody wants it back. Right here beside the lot, beside the office, I mean, a 94 Chevy Suburban, priced at $79.50.
I'll bring it up, Pat. Look at it. Bring it and I'll let the brothers do it.
Okay.
We'll do the best we could. They may cut it back to where we just mark it up for Tuesday. But most of them, I'm usually not in.
Got a few things sitting out here in the middle. Old Mustang convertible sitting here. This is a 65 model convertible, priced at $34,900. And of course, right behind that is a 75 Chevy Impala, sitting in front of the office here at $19,900. This one was new inventory. I'm not sure if it actually made the website. We do sell about 20% of our inventory before we can list it, but this is a 74 Chevy Caprice priced at $29,900. And if it's not on our website, then it's not available anymore. But I know we did have it as of Friday, but it may already be sold. Okay guys, we're working our way over into Pops' Hot Wheels room. We've got plenty more cars to check out up here. So let's go ahead and jump next door. Then we got a front row to end on. And I guess before we jump next door, we'll shoot over to this truck here. It's a 1967 Chevrolet pickup truck. This is a step side priced at $19,900. And it's also brand new to the website. Okay. I'll be right back. And of course, Pops' Hot Wheels room here is loaded up with collectibles. Go to Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. My sister's been updating. I'm letting her take over and learn some video aspects. So she's been keeping up with everybody's messages. She's been shipping out these cars. And you can also come in person and check it out right next door to Maple Motors. So go ahead, do that. Make sure if you're into these, it is right next door on premises. And you can check out all of his Hot Wheels. Well, this is probably only about 10% of his actual collection. So anything you want special ordered or picked up from him, you'll have to ask him himself. For now, let's go back out there. And we've got plenty more cars available. All right. Okay, so I've only got 2 vehicles available in the showroom at the moment. Everything else is sold, so don't call about anything in the background. But this one right here is a 1954 Ford F100 pickup truck priced at $34,900. This video is coming out. This is a fully customized interior and a very nice truck overall. And then, of course, coming up here, so we got a 1989 S10 sitting here. This one's a show truck, fully customized, priced at $12,900. It's got air ride, a very high-end air ride system at that. And you can see the whole test drive video online. As you can see, they've done the whole interior, the seats. It's a very nice truck. Okay, we got a little bit of a lineup here in the back corner. This is a 1991 Pontiac Firebird T-top car. $89.50 is the price. And there is a test drive video out, so you can check this one out. You can also check this one out here. It's a 68 Ford Mustang. It's a convertible, and it's priced at $22,900. Detailed pictures, test drive video. And then right next to that, there's a 1957 Chevrolet. This one is the Bel Air. And it's a 4-speed car, and it's priced at $35,900. Right here by the showroom is a 1970 Ford Mustang in gold. It's also the drop top, priced at $22,900. Okay, walking back out here on the lot. Still got a whole row this way and then across the front row. We're gonna get started with these Mustangs here. Got a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback sitting right here on the end. 6-cylinder car, 3-speed, priced at $32,900. Next in gold is another 65 Mustang Fastback. And this one's priced $32,900 with a $289 under the hood. What about a 1967 Pontiac Firebird? Probably the fastest car on the lot right now. And it's priced at $27,900. Got some more new inventory. 79 Z28 Camaro. This will be my first test drive that I'll get to today, and it's priced at $16,900. Next a 73 Z28 Camaro, priced at $29,900. What about a 72 Camaro in yellow? And of course, this was a very nice car, priced at $32,900. And right up here on the point is a 66 Ford Mustang convertible, priced at $29,900. We can finally make it to the front row here. From this point on, it's all Chevelles. Starting up in the corner, got a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, and this one's priced at $34,900. Of course, next to that one is a 71 in gray. With the heavy Chevy stripes, priced at $27,900. Next to that one, we got a 1972 Chevelle. This one's also priced at $27,900. What about a 1970 Chevelle? Yellow with the black stripes, aftermarket set of American racing wheels, priced at $32,900. Of course, you got a 1969 Chevelle sitting right next to it at $39,900. And then we also got a 1965 a Buick Skylark that is available right now. Custom interior, custom paint, aftermarket wheels, a nice convertible top, priced at $27,900. Okay, we're gonna walk the lot one more time before we end this video, just to make sure we didn't miss anything. Go to maplemotors.com. We have detailed pictures, financing, and shipping. I know I say that a lot, but people miss that part somehow. But it's okay. I said it again. But we're gonna go ahead and walk around the whole lot one more time, and then we'll conclude this video. I've got about 6 or 7 test drives to do today, which won't happen, so I'll probably only get 1 or 2 done. I've got a lot of information to put online for y'all. So we're gonna walk around here. You got the Firebird in the back. You got the 68 Mustang and the 57 Chevy all together right here. Anything else in the back is not available if I don't mention it. Well, I do believe this Chevelle is coming up. We have missed it. See, this is why I walk around the lot one more time. This one is going on. It's $32,900. Okay. I try not to show stuff that's already sold, so don't call about anything in the video that I haven't. All this, everything under here is sold for sure. This is just the shipping bay. It's just waiting to get loaded up on the truck and shipped out. And then of course you got the old Mustang right here. And I think we missed another one here under the awning. They got cars scattered everywhere. I assume this one's going on. I don't know why it's put up under the awning, but it's a 1969 Ford Fairlane. $14,900. I may be off on that year. That was a total guess. That's the first time that I've gotten to check that one out, really. Coming up here, Look, we found 2 cars. That's why I do the double walk. We are a family-owned business. I am one of the youngest here. Grandfather started this in '83. Uncles came in. Well, father came in, then uncles. And check it out. Got another one. Skipped over this one. Okay, 1962 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. And this one's priced at $19,900. Step side. With a nice bed. Good deal. In the showroom, we got the old yellow Ford truck, and we got the S10 Air Ride. Guys, you can see all of our previous inventory on YouTube here. You can also go to previous inventory on our website. You see a car you like on there. Majority of the time, you can type in the year and the model and find it on YouTube here and watch an older video. A lot of people like watching those, especially the people that have bought the cars from us. They like to see their content on here, which is cool. And I'll always keep them up. I'll just mark them sold and take them off the cars currently available playlist. We do trades. We also do repeat buyers. So let's say you buy that Mustang and a year from now you want to buy something else from us, but you want to trade the Mustang. We allow that to happen. Got the Mustang in the middle, the Impala, the Caprice. I think the Caprice is sold. I'm pretty sure it sold this morning before I can make this video. Do have a large percentage of cars that sell before I can make the video, but week by week we'll get out about 10 to 15 cars for you that are available. With your help, share this video, hit subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.